Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change color for mouse cursor. So as we can see it's white and you want to change color. So settings, start and settings. Now here click on accessibility. Now click on mouse pointer and touch. Now here you will see mouse pointer style. You can change size, color. You can select any color. So this is the way guys you can change mouse pointer color in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.